Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you Mercedes GL550. How to open the oil cap. If any malfunction happen and you cannot open it, you need to fill the fuel, and that I'm going to share with you. First we need to do, we're going to open the trunk and we're going to come right here. You need a straight screwdriver. You turn it, it will open it. You see the fuel pump picture right up here. You just grab this one and then you pull it. As you pull it, you pull the lever. And what happens? If we go on the other side, it releases the lock from here. Once I pull it, it goes back. See this hole right here? That hole goes inside and that's where it locks in. If you notice, there is a small nail sticking out, and if I close it, that comes in, and I open it, it goes back, and that's the whole purpose of this. It locks in. So anytime your mechanism fail and it malfunction and you pull it, and that nail, the one I showed you sticking in and out, that will push back in. So then you will be able to open it. So I hope this small tip will help you out in your life, and if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.